In this episode, we asked the question, does dandruff cause hair loss? Hi everyone, thanks again for watching. One of the common questions that we get asked is, oh look, I'm suffering from dandruff, is it going to cause me to lose hair? Well, for most of us, what we're talking about when we talk about hair loss is androgenic alopecia, or male pattern hair loss, or female pattern hair loss. And that's very different to, from a causative perspective, from dandruff. Dandruff is some form of inflammation of the skin. It causes the skin to be dry, scaly, and so flaky as well. And so that in itself does not cause male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, but it can exacerbate the condition. So if you've already got the condition, what it can do is cause the hairs to shed in the short term, and thus the replacement hair that grows back may be a thinner version of itself. So no, dandruff doesn't directly cause hair loss. It can cause shedding, which generally is a temporary phenomenon. But for all intents and purposes, that hair should return back at the same strength and thickness. But if you've got pre-existing male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, it may result in a thinner version of that hair growing back. So if you are suffering from dandruff, it's important to understand what the cause of that is. It may be an inflammatory condition. You may be sensitive to certain things, for example, in your diet. So it may be important to look at that and address those issues as well from a lifestyle perspective. There are shampoos or topical solutions that can be used to help dampen down that inflammatory response and also potentially treat the cause. And an example of that is a ketoconazole shampoo, which is an antifungal shampoo, which can help because one of the causes of dandruff is a buildup of fungus on the surface of the scalp. So if you are suffering from extensive dandruff, then make sure you get it checked out, make sure you get good advice on that, and by treating that you can stop the shedding, but the shedding itself does not cause a balding per se. Hope you found that useful. Thank you very much.